Hello everyone, I'm Cesar from Legacy Ford, and today I'm going to show you how to change your windshield wiper. All right, first thing you're going to do, bring your arm up. There's a safety clip down here or a frontal clip. All you're going to do, take a little pry bar, a little screwdriver, pop it open, and pull the wiper down. Next thing you do, get your new wiper and simply pop it in. Now, the reason why you want to replace your wipers, one is a safety hazard. If your wipers are shattering, streaking, or just not keeping your windshield clean at all, it can give you poor visibility, especially during heavy rain. Other than that, wipers should be replaced about 6 months to 12 months or twice a year. And if you're unsure what kind of wipers you need, refer to your owner's manual or stop on by to our parts department and they'll give you the wipers you need. Also, if you need a hand, we'll be glad to help you with that as well.